Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see what you can do if you're affected by the KB5046617 Windows Microsoft error. So what you can do for this is if you're affected by this error and it's not letting you work properly, what you can do is it's possible to successfully install the KB5046617 patch if you do it manually instead of through Windows Update. So if there's any error in the update, you can do this manually. For this, you will need to open the Microsoft Update catalog, and after you search and open the Microsoft Update catalog, from there you will need to search KB5046617. From there, you will see which is appropriate for your system. It really depends on your system and its features. Then you will click on the download button from this. When the pop-up appears, you will click the appropriate link to download the installer file. From there, you will double check to file to make ensure that the update has been installed and it should succeed without any error messages. This should work, but just in case if it doesn't work, you will have to either wait for Microsoft to fix this error from their part. You can contact support as well, but these are the methods that you can do in order to aid yourself in fixing this error. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.